ดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe I have to say I like pasta with any kind of sauce like tomato sauce pesto sauce or cream sauce but today I will show you kind of Thai style spaghetti with crispy dry chili for spicy flavor and Thai sweet basil for the good smell and taste. Are you ready? Let's go! For ingredients today we need black pepper, salt, Parmesan cheese, mushroom soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic, red onion, Thai sweet basil, dry chili, bacon, and spaghetti. I will start preparing the red onion, garlic, and Thai sweet basil. After, I will deep fry dry chili. Finely chopped garlic. Finely chopped red onion as well. For Thai sweet basil, no need to cut it. We will use the whole leaf. Add oil. When the oil is hot, add the chili. You can choose to make it very spicy or not with the same quantity of chili. If you put the whole chili, it will not be too spicy. But if you cut the chili, it will be very spicy. For me, I prefer to cut not too big, not too small. Once the water is boiling, put your pasta. Now the pasta are ready, so I am going to cook the bacon and everything else I am going to add to the pasta. It's not too spicy for you guys, but you know what? Spicy can help you burn some calories. That's good, right? Now, let's be honest. If you eat a whole chocolate cake, you can add as many chilies as you want. That will not help, sorry. Please consider subscribing if you haven't yet. And click on the bell to receive a notification when I add a new video. Share, leave a comment, and very important, chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday.